Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. More senior citizens are being given the opportunity to access comprehensive health insurance. This follows the launch of a new health plan targeting members of the Caribbean community of retired persons. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Securing health coverage over the age of 50 can be a challenge. That's why most persons are encouraged to set up a health plan before they get to that age. However, many senior citizens in Jamaica still don't have a health plan. CGM Caliga Insurance Brokers now introducing one geared towards retired Jamaicans.
This important coverage is now available to all senior citizens of Jamaica.
The monthly premiums under this plan range from $6,400 to $8,000 depending on age. A regular comprehensive plan for a senior citizen would attract a much higher premium. Group head of CGM John Rochford says the deductible provisions are also competitive.
The annual deductible per person per contract year is $6,000. That's the deductible of those expenses that go into the major medical.
Senior citizens will also have access to more benefits on an annual basis.
You know, there are most programs that will offer a lifetime maximum benefit for your medical expenses. This program offers you an annual maximum of $5 million.
The new plan is being underwritten by Sagicor Life Jamaica. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Richard Biles officially took up duties as governor of the Bank of Jamaica today. Mr. Biles succeeded Brian Wint, who held the post for 10 years. Mr. Biles has had a 40-year career in business and finance and has served as co-chairman of the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.54. The Canadian dollar went for $103.07. Sterling $164.06, while the euro sells for $151.49. The JC index gained 9,457 points today, while the junior market index lost 30 points. Among the winners today were Siboney Group, General Accident Insurance, Pulse Investments, G West Corporation and Kingston Wharves. On the losing side were Everything Fresh, Cargo Handlers, Lasco Financial Services, Jetcon Corporation and Iron Rock Insurance. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.